Marhaba, it's Amir speaking. In this lesson we will learn how to say in Arabic language, be satisfied with different examples. So, let's start the lesson. Be satisfied with. Be satisfied with means be content with. Be content with. In Arabic we can translate it as راضٍ عن, راضٍ عن, and راضية عن, راضية عن. راضٍ عن, it's used for masculine, while راضية عن, it's used for feminine. Now you might be thinking, why راضٍ عن? Why not راضي عن? Yes, to know this, watch the video till the end and listen carefully. Alright, first of all, I would like to explain how to say in Arabic language, I am satisfied. So, to say I, always we use ana. I means ana, and am satisfied means razin. Ana razin. We use ana razin for male, and ana raziyatun. Ana raziyatun. We use ana raziyatun for female. Guys, razin and raziyatun both are here in the case of rafa, and I'll show you the examples of nasb and jar in the upcoming examples of the lesson. And now I'll talk about razin. Razin is basically raziyun. Raziyun. We name it Ism Manqoos. And now what is Ism Manqoos? Let me explain it. Ism Manqoos are those nouns which has proper ya at the end and before it is a kasra. For instance, al-qadiyu, al-nadiyu, al-da'iyu, and al-janiyu. And now we will learn about its thumb rule. When Ism Manqoos is used in rafa and jar form, its case ending is estimated, I mean taqdiri. While Ism Manqoos is used in nasb form, its case ending is visible, I mean lafzi. In a nutshell, Ism Manqoos are nouns in Arabic grammar having a special case in rafa, nasb and jar. You can pause the video and watch the chart carefully. You will understand everything easily. Hope you got it. Hence, to say I am satisfied, we say in Arabic, ana razin and ana raziyatun. And now I'll add some other words with it, and those are my new job. I'm satisfied with my new job. I'm satisfied, ana razin and ana raziyatun with my new job. عن وظيفتي الجديدة. عن وظيفتي الجديدة. With my job. عن وظيفتي new الجديدة. عن وظيفتي الجديدة. I'm satisfied with my new job. أنا راضٍ عن وظيفتي الجديدة. And أنا راضية عن وظيفتي الجديدة. And the next example is, I'm not satisfied with the quality of your work. I'm not satisfied. To say I'm satisfied, we speak أنا راضٍ and أنا راضية. But to say I'm not satisfied, we'll add Laysa in this sentence. And I've talked about Laysa in the previous lesson. If you haven't watched yet, you can watch that. The link in the description as well as in the I button. So, I'm not satisfied. أنا لست راضيا. I'm not satisfied. أنا لست راضيا. Or أنا لست راضية. I'm not satisfied. أنا لست راضيا. Or أنا لست راضية. With the quality of your work. عن جودة عملك. عن جودة عملك. عن جودة عملك. I'm not satisfied with the quality of your work. أنا لست راضيا عن جودة عملك. Or أنا لست راضية عن جودة عملك. Or you can say in some other words, I'm not satisfied. أنا غير راضٍ. Or أنا غير راضية. أنا غير راضٍ or أنا غير راضية with the quality of your work. عن جودة عملك. I'm not satisfied with the quality of your work. أنا غير راضٍ عن جودة عملك or أنا غير راضية عن جودة عملك. Guys, in this example, you saw the cases of nasb and jar of راضيا and راضٍ. Hence, راضيا is mansoob and راضٍ is majroor. Hope you got it. And the last example is, are you satisfied with your meal? Are you satisfied? هل أنت راضٍ? Are you? هل أنت satisfied? راضٍ. هل أنت راضٍ? or هل أنت راضية؟ هل أنت راضية with your meal? عن وجبتك. عن وجبتك. Are you satisfied with your meal? هل أنت راضٍ عن وجبتك؟ هل أنت راضٍ عن وجبتك؟ or هل أنت راضية عن وجبتك؟ هل أنت راضية عن وجبتك؟ And now the exercise time. I'm not satisfied with my new job. I'm satisfied with the quality of your work. You are not satisfied with your meal. Do the exercise and leave your translations in the comment box below. And that's all today. If you like the lesson, please tap the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.